and welcome back to another episode of Tech APPetizers with Amanda Hunt, also known as the Next Gen Librarian. Today, I want to talk about a website that is 100% free and made for educators called the Achievery. Please forgive my voice. It is going. I'm trying to save it for the upcoming Texas Librarian Conference. So I'm going to try to make this quick. The Achievery is a safe online platform that is built specifically for students K to 12 that have engaging lessons, videos, resources, all for teachers and students. So if you go to theachievery.com/EN for English or ES for Spanish, you'll be able to sign up and create an account. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And I do a Google one-stop login for me. And whenever you get in, it's going to have like their feature video that they're working on right now. It was very cool on the day of the eclipse last Monday to have this video up because we were in a very cloudy place and we weren't able to see the eclipse like other places were. So to have the video from NASA playing on this site was amazing. And then if you want to go about, learn a little bit more about their mission and their goal, feel free to go here. And then if you go to all units, you're able to take a look at all of the lessons that they have. You can search by topic. You can search by grade level, category. It's going to be all the core content classes, including digital literacy, technology and engineering, and my favorite, which is social emotional learning. So whenever we do circle time at my school and we have to set, it's hard to come up with topics. So when you have these lessons on here, it is a great way for you to access that with your students and to generate great conversations in small groups if you are doing that, or whole group class if you're doing a more broad topic that doesn't require a lot of talking from students. So those are the options. Then you can choose a subcategory. And then they have so many different collaborators from Khan Economy to Girls Who Code, Warner Brothers, lots of great videos that are going to get kids' attention. And one thing I love the most is that they have the cartoonish, cute, funny, adorable videos for our littles. But then in the middle school area, my kids are going to think that's super cringy. So they have a lot of videos that are tailored towards the specific area with that are meeting the kids where they are. They're not too young, not too silly, and they really address a lot of topics that librarians need to cover in our standards, such as digital literacy, cyber safety, things like that. You can low by the ISTE standards, which we do like to use in the library. Or if you're a classroom teacher, there's ELA, math, all the other ones that kind of go with your curriculum. And right now, the Achievery is doing an Unleash Creativity Learning Challenge for a chance to win a $150 Amazon gift card. So all of the submissions are going to be due by May 9th, and the winner will be announced that next day. You can enter up to 3 times to increase your chances to win. So if you share your favorite lesson on the Achievery, get in, play around, see what works, what doesn't, and you submit that, you can get a chance to win. If you have any questions about the Achievery, feel free to reach out. But I think it is a great resource for teachers in the classroom that are looking for quality lessons that are free. Till next time.